Hello viewers, welcome back. In this video I'm going to show you how to stop people sharing your post on their story. It's pretty easy and simple. So let's get start our video. First of all, launch on your Facebook application, and after launch on your Facebook application, then go to on the top right corner three line menu option, and after that scroll down, and after scroll down you get a option settings and privacy. So just tap on this settings and privacy, and after tap on settings and privacy you find settings option. So just tap on this settings option, and after that you need to scroll down, and after scroll down you find profile and tagging option. So just tap on this profile and tagging. Here you can see, so just tap, and after that scroll down, and here you can see, allow others to share your post on their stories option. Fine, so just tap on this, and here you can see it's loading, and now you need to select no option. Here you can see, just tap on this no. That's it. Now there you can see no one can share your post on their stories. It's totally completed. So in this way you can stop people sharing your post on their story very easily. Hope guys this video can help you. Thank you everyone for watching.